Welkom bij de Drunken Barbecue and this week we're making Tex Mex Mountain Dogs on a disposable barbecue by the Elbow Falls. It's getting warm. I don't know if it's from this or sunshine. Be aware guys, this video contains strong language and adult humor. Hi guys, welcome by the Drunken Barbecue and it's a bit sunny, but hey, awesome time for a road trip. So today we're going somewhere over there. There's supposed to be some waterfalls and we're going to check them out. So stay tuned, sit tight and crack a beer as we take you on an adventure. There they are, the Rocky Mountains. There we go, Kananaskis. Nature is coming. Doesn't that look pretty, guys? Don't be fooled by thinking like, oh, let's walk over to that river. Because it's a thin sheet of ice, so you won't get wet. As you can tell guys, it's in the mountains, so be aware for winter conditions. It might be summer where you are, but definitely not where the falls are. Once you get to the falls guys, there is an easy to follow trail, roughly half a kilometer long, and it will lead you along the river, the falls and a little bit of woodland. The moment is here. I never thought that I would actually do this, but like a lot of YouTubers, I don't know why they do it, but guys, look at that. There's a toilet. So like many guys, we need to do a bathroom video, right? So, or a tour. I don't think it will be much of a tour, but I will show you anyway. Come with me. Well, are you ready for the great reveal? It says, use at your own risk. I guess people pee on their hands, I guess. But hey, well, let's not go into those details. We're going to see what this is like, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, just fast forward to the next section. Ta-da! One public restroom. Well, we can hear the falls. It's down there, and well, let's just explore this area. It's pretty nice, eh? It's called the Elbow Falls. It's only like half an hour away from Calgary, so when you got nothing to do, hop in your car, walk around here. An interesting fact is that the Elbow River is a classic example of the humans and nature are closely bonded, as the river depends on the forest around it, and that 1/3 of the people in Alberta depend on the water that originates from this river. So don't pee in this river guys, as it might end up in someone's coffee. Whoever is interested to drive down here, over there, there's actually the road that goes about 15 kilometers further west into the mountains. Well, come back in May, not in the winter, because from December till mid-May, right? Yeah, December till mid-May this road is closed, just to give nature a chance, and I guess yeah, keeps you out of the way of bears and other kind of wildlife. You can go and cycle there, so that's probably one of the world's longest cycle routes anyway up here, with no cars whatsoever. So if you're fond of cycling, drive down to the Elbow Falls. You will see a gate. After the gate you got a path here, so you can follow the river. It's actually quite nice, and yeah, go for gold, right? It's a 15-click track you have there, all for yourself. Spring is in the air, buds are on the trees, so won't be long. It's nice short weather. These falls are slowly eroding away guys, so come over, check them out, because in a few hundred years from now they're gone and you're too late. We might be a little bit early, but From Donnie and I, Merry Christmas. For the sport people amongst us, a lot of the parking lots have got signs, and trails got signs as well. What the local scene has to offer, and here we are with one that says what kind of fish we have. So let's zoom in and see what we can pull out of the river. Follow the trail, but there is not much of a trail. It's underneath the snow. We'll get there. See some benches. Fire pits, sunshine galore all over. This mug, guys, has been made by a local artist, and we bought it by Blue Rock Gallery in Black Diamond. So check it out, maybe there are more. Well, today's barbecue challenge, a one-time use barbecue. Never used it before. Might be garbage, might be great, you never know. So you can get these in many shops like Walmart, Canadian Tire. They're not expensive at all, easy to use according to other videos. So well, let's give it a shot. We're gonna unwrap it and see what happens. There we go, like a true outdoorsman. We read the manual, not. So we're just going to unwrap it and we'll see what happens. There we go. I try not to rip the label because I saw somewhere on the site there are instructions on the label. So if you rip it, you can't read it, right? Well, it looks pretty simple. Take it out of the box. Oh man, plastic everywhere. The legs. I guess we passed from that perspective. Anyhow, let us check this out. We'll be back to you in a minute. We checked out the instructions and it says let it through the holes on the side. One minor adjustment for the people who are not so good at reading English. The pictogram says different, but never mind. We just go for gold. Super barbecue lighter here. We'll see where this goes. It's a bit windy, but hey, that shouldn't stop the joy. Oh my god. I thought it would just go. Yeah, one side is. Oh, go for the other side too. Just like a kid with a new toy. Love it. Love it. Whoa, Donnie. Look at that! The wind really gets it going. Maybe it should not have been so much wind, is it? Oh, hey, if it goes, it goes. That's all that matters. Well, it's kind of like a New Year's party, guys. It's cool. So now we just, well, if this works out good, we're just going to let it all ash over and then we're good to go. While we're waiting for the coals to grey over, we might as well start wrapping the sausages. So I've got some bacon, sausages, roll it together. Bob is your uncle. Don't tell anybody. I'm sitting on Donnie's gloves. Keep my ass dry. Who cares about his fingers? Anyhow, sausages. Got to have a sausage. Put your garbage in your pocket, right? Otherwise it blows off. And we want to keep nature clean. The trash we bring in is what we bring out. The only way you're going to leave it behind is when there is a garbage bin. And there is a garbage bin there. There we go. And now we're gonna put the bacon all the way around our sausage. Who doesn't like bacon on a sausage? I'm gonna leave it with that, because that's another video. Oh, look at that. That barbecue is burning, guys. We're at the waterside, as you can hear. Absolutely not shaded from the wind. Probably, as you can hear as well. And guess what? That wind is getting those cokes going. Well, I thought we might not need all the bacon, but here we go. 4 sausages, pound of bacon. There we go, guys. All or nothing. Oh, it sizzles. That's always a good sign. Alright folks, the barbecue is performing pretty good, but the only design fault, I would say it has no lid. And as you can tell from our surroundings, it's a little bit on the cool side. So this barbecue just doesn't heat the whole thing. But, behold, we just created a lid. Because what you haven't got, you can always make. So more to be. Well, it's not a manly thing to say, but my sausage is ready. So instead of having a hot dog bun, a French stick bucket, as most people are saying. Get rid of the trash out, don't let it blow around. So, just gonna grab the bread and then take it from there. Look at that! Well, there we go. Sandwiches are cut. The sausage is ready. We're just going to put a little bit of salsa in here. It's a mix of salsa, beans, all sort of goodness. And then we give it a Mexican touch. Tex Mex, right? Look at that. Look at that, guys. Doesn't even fit. Ho, ho, ho. Oh yeah. Cheese. Got to have cheese. Black diamond. Gonna melt the cheese, and then we're good to go, guys. And there you have it. Tex Mex Alberta style. Done on a throwaway barbecue. Nice. Well, that's it again for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and leave your comments below. And as always, happy grilling and see you in the next video.